You don't want to know what's living under your bed right now. Dust bunnies, allergens, and worse are hiding down there. Here's how to tackle this forgotten zone. Under the bed collects months or even years of dust, pet hair, lost items, and allergens that affect your sleep quality. Most vacuums can't reach back there, so it just keeps building up. Time to fix this. Step 1. Remove everything stored under the bed first. Shoes, boxes, storage bins. Step 2. Use a vacuum with an extension hose to reach deep into corners. Step 3. For tight spaces, attach a microfiber cloth to a broom handle or mop. Step 4. Vacuum or mop the entire area, working from the back to the front. Step 5. Wipe down bed frame legs and any storage containers before putting them back. Pro tip: do this monthly to prevent buildup. Use bed risers to create more clearance for easier cleaning. Or invest in underbed storage containers with wheels. They slide out easily for regular cleaning access. Don't want to crawl around on the floor? Our professionals have the tools and expertise to deep clean every hard-to-reach spot in your home, including under all your furniture. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332 www.bearbroscleaning.com.